Stay with us till the end to see how Red Bull is made.
Batch number 742 scanned. Confirmed. Seal it up.
Flow rate looks stable at 50,000 liters per hour.
Confirmed on the main panel. The pressure is holding steady.
The flow rate looks stable at 500 liters per second.
And the pressure differential is holding steady across stage 3.
UV levels are stable at 99%.
Noted. System is running optimally. The flow meter is fluctuating, adjusting the bypass wheel.
Noted. Levels are stabilizing now.
The flow rate is confirmed. Right on target.
Perfect. We are good to go.
Levels synchronized on tank 3. We are within tolerance.
Confirmed. Ready for mixing sequence.
We're seeing fluctuations here on the Red Bull vat. Try adjusting the mixing speed slightly.
Stabilizing at 20 degrees Celsius now. Looks good.
Regulator is secure and the pressure is stable.
Confirmed on the manifest. Good to tag this one.
The UV levels are stable, well within the required sanitation parameters.
Confirmed. Everything looks good for the Red Bull run.
The reading is clear.
Surface looks good too. Everything is up to standard.
Starting the flow now.
Pressure steady, CO2 levels are nominal.
The aeration levels are stable. We have a pass on this line.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
Temperature is steady at 95.
Looks good. Process confirmed.
Plate is aligned.
Confirmed. Ready for calibration.
The purity level is stable at 99.9999%.
Excellent. We are cleared for bottling.
The reading here shows we're almost at the target temperature.
Excellent. The flow looks stable.
The temperature is stabilizing right on target.
Good, we can increase the flow rate now.
The rejection rate is up slightly on the last batch.
I see that. The dents are the main issue.
Laser systems scan seams for micro leaks. Defective cans are automatically removed.
The temperature is holding steady right at 85 degrees Celsius. Confirmed. Inputting the data now.
We have perfect synchronization on the merge.
The tablet confirms. No collisions detected.
Keep an eye right there. B lane is getting tight.
Looks good now. Flow is stable.
That should be enough for the Red Bull shipment.
Looks good. Let's prep the next pallet.
Alignment on the third row is drifting slightly.
Adjusting the servo limits now. Looks stable.
The pH is stabilizing right at 3.3.
Interesting. That's within the expected range for the original formula.
Looks like the concentrations are stable.
Perfect, right within the target range.
The reading is 286C.
Yeah.
Matches the swatch exactly.
We are good to go on this batch.
260.4 grams.
Confirmed. Moving to the next unit.
Pallet 34 is checked and ready for dispatch.
Looks good. Final green light. Send it out.
Subscribe for more amazing factory processes. Experience the unique taste of Red Bull energy drink.